Well, hello guys. Just wanted to give an update. It's been a little while. Uh, Transfer switch is installed on the back. Oh, yeah, sorry. This is an electrical update on what's happening. So transfer switch is tested and working. I was going to put the inverter there, and I put it there initially where the transfer switch is, but then decided to move everything just to give it more ventilation, and I found a ton of space under the bed, which is right here. So it's a bit of a mess right now, but I started to get some things to get this heat and this humidity is taking its toll for sure. More the humidity, I guess, because it's really not too hot. But there's the DC to DC converter that will go to the car. Oh, the cables just came in today. I'm gonna go home and grab them. So I can install the bit on the car, which will be a little easier because it's outside. And then next to it is the inverter, 2200 watt running, 4400 watt surge. I hope I never hit that. There's a 250 amp fuse on the back there. And then just my coach battery for now, or house battery, because my batteries are not due until Monday, so my testing I've just been conducting with that. And then this wiring you see here, that's the inverter switch. I've been routing. There's the battery shunt, and there's the battery monitor, which I don't know until I get the battery charged up and all that, but it's 11.6 volts, so that definitely needs charging. And apparently there's a 0.7 or 0.8 amp draw. I haven't reset this thing yet, but don't know, so that's a bit weird, but I'll have to come back. I need to get some more cables. The positive cable from the DC to DC controller is not long enough, so I have to go buy yet more stuff. Even though I got all this cable, it's just not the right gauge, but it's pretty messy, but it's getting there. Everything's bolted down, so yeah, I just wanted to give a quick update. Let me just I'll show you what I did outside, or I'll try to show you what I did outside. So and I need to tie these up, but that black and red cable right there, those go into the junction to tie into the wiring through that box there. The battery's been removed from here. I just have to remove the battery box, but it comes all the way around here. And then it's a little warm on the ground. If I get up like this, there it is, then it goes into the coach, but it's really hot on the ground, so I'm gonna get up for now. I might need to bring a blanket back when I go home to lay on the ground, because ouch, that's hot. See, apparently it's like 80 degrees today, but it feels a lot hotter than that. And then I got my generator tied on the back for now. I could turn this on and run the air conditioning, but I'm actually thinking about getting rid of this one because of the weight. I don't want this amount of weight on the tongue jack. I don't know. I have somebody coming to look at it, which is why I don't want to power it on. But it is getting pretty hot, so if I don't hear from them soon, I'll assume that didn't go through. And yeah, but yeah, that's what we got for now. Yeah, I don't really have anything else for now, but I'm just going to continue working on this. It's just really difficult to try to film at the same time as working in this crazy heat and in this limited work area, but I'll try to do better in the future. But yeah, I just want to update you. It's coming along despite the mess of cables and tools around it. It's organized chaos. I do have a plan, so it's probably not going to be the prettiest thing, but as long as it's functional and safe and everything is bolted down, then I think I'll be okay with that. But a lot of that stuff I don't really want to tie down until I have everything in place. So this is about the only cable I'm hitting into place. This Renogy control actually is probably going to just go right here because it'll just be the easiest to do that. I mean, I could try to figure out how to run it to this control panel right here. What does this say for my battery, by the way? 2/3. So after I did run the inverter for a quick test. But I could actually show you that right now. So if I let me get this switch real quick. I don't want to run it for too long though, because the battery's drained. So if I hit that button and turn this on. So I don't know if you'll hear it, but you'll hear a click in a minute, and the fridge will beep, or the microwave will beep. There's a bit of a delay on the transfer switch. Is it gonna click? There we go. So that just clicked, but I didn't hear anything kick on. Oh, it's got to turn the main breaker off. But that click, I'm not going to turn it on right now, but that click is everything kicking on. So if I come over here, this is pulling 2.18. You know what's weird about this? It actually, it wasn't minus before, it was plus. So if I turn this off, it thinks it's putting in 0.7. Anyway, that's it for now. So the plan for the rest of the day, I'm gonna run to the house, pick up my packages for the cabling and maybe some more crimp ends. I need to make a trip to Harbor Freight. I really like to go there very often for stuff like that from what I've read online, but just for some crimp ends, I should be able to visually inspect them, so it shouldn't be too difficult. So I'm gonna go grab the cabling first so I can take that in with me and make sure it all fits. And then I gotta pick up a 4-gauge cable as well. But yeah, that's kind of where I'm at for now. So I will check in with you guys later. The frequency of videos and the length should start increasing as this project comes to a close and it gets a little bit easier to video things. Alright, I'll catch you guys later. Peace out.